Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to install diagonal seam tape on your sewing machine. Diagonal seam tape is a kind of washi tape. That means that it's a thin masking tape with a small amount of stickiness. It's easy to place down, pick up, and replace as needed, and it won't leave any sticky residues on your machine. This diagonal seam tape is made by Cluck Cluck Sew. We sell it in the shop, and you can also find it at the link below. It features a red line in the middle. This is what we're going to align with our needle. Then there's a 1/4 inch line on either side of the red line. This is a marking for your 1/4 inch seam allowance. To install this washi tape on my sewing machine, I first cut a length of this tape off the roll, and I turn my sewing machine on and put my needle down into the down position. Then I use my best eyeball approximation to line up the red line with my needle and try and get a straight line coming towards me. I only stick down the tape very slightly at this point because I'm going to reposition it. Then, importantly, I use a ruler as a guide, and I make sure that this tape is straight coming towards me. I want to make sure that this red line is a straight line coming out from the needle. So I put my ruler right up against the needle, and then I use a guide on my machine, such as a metal plate or something else straight, and you can keep picking up the tape and putting it down, repeating this until your tape is perfectly straight. Once I'm happy with the placement of this tape, I stick it down really well. For me, I'm going to leave this tape on for a long time, but I still need to remove some pieces of my machine, so I use my fingernail to cut a little piece of the tape wherever I'm going to need to move that piece, such as the bobbin plate. Because I want to leave this tape on here, I won't be able to see the bobbin as well as before, but I can just take this plate off and check on the status of the bobbin. One day, if the tape becomes too frustrating or too in the way, I'll just take it off, and there's plenty more on the roll. I can always add it back. Thanks for watching!